I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning.
What's up guys, it's Kenzie, back with another video, and as you guys can tell from the title, today's video is DIY organization tips and hacks. If you're new, make sure you go down below and click the subscribe button so that you are a subscriber, join the fam, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I upload so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, and also give this video a thumbs up because why not? Hope you guys enjoy it. So not a lot to say, just that I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it's actually personally like all of the tips and DIYs I use, and they're all cheap and from the dollar store. I mean, anyone can really afford to go to the dollar store, am I right? I mean, everything is only $1. Hopefully you guys can look forward to a Valentine's Day video next week, and I already have everything in my head ready, so super excited for that video. Yeah, I guess that's all I have, so let's just get right on to the video. Life hack number 1 is a super cute customizable storage container DIY. So what you need is a few of these small brown cardboard circular boxes, and you also need some acrylic paint, some Sharpies are optional, some paper is necessary, but that's just what I'm putting my paint on. You can put your paint on whatever you would like, really. So what I'm doing is I'm peeling off the price tag off the bottom, and then I'm just going to put a few coats of whatever color paint I am using, and I used 3 colors because I had 3 circular boxes, and so I just did this really cute design using those 3 colors. Now in a different color of paint, I'm just taking this round brush I got from Michaels, and I'm just going to put polka dots all around the outer edge of the container. Next, what we are going to do is put some hot glue all over the bottom of your container, and you are going to stick that to one of the bottoms of your container so it looks like this, and it's going to look like you have the lid on upside down. So make sure you do this on 2 of them because you are going to need a 3rd one loose to put on the top of your sort of tower. I guess that's what we could call it, a tower. Now we are just going to stack these together, and there you go, you have your DIY organization tower, and you can put paper clips or whatever you want in them, and it's just easy for your desk. DIY is a calendar, and basically when I went in the dollar store I just looked for the biggest frame they have, so now I'm just peeling off the plastic, but when you buy it, make sure that it has the plastic in front of the picture so that it will be like dry erase. And so what I'm doing now is taking everything out, and then I'm going to put a few layers of tissue paper over the actual picture, because you can totally use actual white paper, but I didn't have any big enough, so I'm just laying some tissue paper in there and then sizing it and then putting it in. So once you get everything fixed, I'm just taking my red dry erase marker for February, and I'm just going to start writing down all of my dates, and yeah. Next up, we have this super useful cord organizer. So I'm always losing my cord and just having to follow all of my cords everywhere around, and it's just so annoying. So all I did was hot glue 3 popsicle sticks in a straight line across, and then I took 2 and hot glued them up 1, and now I'm going to add another one on one of them, and this is going to act as the bottom. Now I'm going to hot glue small pieces that I broke off, leaving some gaps in between. That way my cords can poke out so that I can use them. Now I am just gluing the 2 together so that I have a nice small little structure like thing, and it has gaps so that my cords can pop out. I am now putting these small little pieces of popsicle sticks. I just broke one in half to make sure the back stays firm and straight, and I just don't want anything to break or be flimsy, so I'm just hot gluing again 2 halves of the popsicle sticks on the back, and this is what it should look like. And this part is totally optional, but I'm going to draw little symbols for which cord I mean, and yep, this is super helpful. My last tip is to have a bunch of just pen organizers or cups all over your desk. I seriously have about 100 of these on my desk, and I really do think they are really big help. Organization tip number 1 is to always have a planner or a journal. I personally have a planner that I write in about every day, and I also have a journal that I write in. Next tip is to have these folders. I have a bunch of folders to just organize all my papers and stuff on my desk. The next tip is to color code with stickers. I feel like this is a big help because if something's really important, you can just put a sticker beside it. And I got these stickers at the dollar store, so super cute. Tip number 5 is to color code, and I really do this a lot. And you can use pens or colored pencils, whichever. Pens do write better, but I had a better color variety in colored pencils. And so I'm just coloring or writing my words in the colored pencils, and then I also recommend to use erasable pens because if you make a mistake, you don't want to have to scribble it out or anything, so you can just erase it and write over it. These are really handy for mistakes. Organization number 5 is if if you're like me, I have a fidgeting problem, so I always keep this little stress ball by my desk so that I can fidget with it, and it helps me a lot. That's all I have for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. I hope you guys found all of these DIYs and hacks very useful for you, for your office or for school or your job, whatever really. And yeah, thanks for watching. Kinsey out.